everybody.
I'm Tim.
It's Rina here.
Tim and Rina's Italian Lifestyle.
Okay, good.
Back on air again.
Yes, so we are. Today I just want to cook something very simple and good spaghetti.
Ooh, very Italian.
Of course, we're in Italy. Italian lifestyle after all. But before I do that, okay, gardening in Italy is very part of lifestyle. Before I do that, I want to go to the garden and gather ingredients, what I can put for this dish today that I'm craving of.
So let's go to the garden.
Join me.
Yes.
I'm off to the garden to dig some garlic for my Olio spaghetti for my lunch today. Follow me. And I think we are ready, successful for what we have here. Soil is a little bit dry. And that should be it. That will do for me. Got tomatoes there. And these are my main garlic patch. Should be last me for a year actually. Fresh garlic of the year. Look at that. Let me shake off the soil so that you can see, but I'm sorry that you cannot smell it, but at least you can see what fresh garlic is. There it is. Okay, back to the kitchen, and here's what I got. I dug the garlic. And I've got some basil, whatever you want to call it. And I have one chili pepper, jalapeno, that's the one we have ready too. So you probably know already what I can come up for these ingredients in front of me. The simple thing I can make for this is spaghetti aglio olio. Yeah. So, okay, here is the garlic. I'm just going to break this. I need a little bit of force. That's it. So, I am going to remove the muddy one, I call it muddy, but the dirt or soil, the 3 to 4 layers in there before you can go to the cloves. So I will probably need a good 4 head of garlic here because these heads are not very big. So, and now I'm just peeling them. Let me just put this away. The smell is incredibly good. Look at that. When it's fresh garlic, it's very easy to peel, very soft, because the skin is it's not dry yet. Let me put the pasta first, because pasta takes 7 minutes. So now, the pasta I'm using here is spaghetti made from red lentils. So it's veg. Oh! That beautiful color.
Low carb, right?
It's a low carb, yes, and it's gluten free. Your favorite spaghetti, wheat pasta, for example, it's entirely up to you, and it will do well for this particular recipe. But for us here in Italy, we serve this primo piatto first course, but for you, you may want to use it as a accompaniment or serve it with chicken or fish or anything you like, really. So that's going to take, well, the packet says it's 7 to 9 minutes, but I'm going to cook it into 7 minutes only. So I have the pan here heating up slowly because the garlic is very fresh. We really do not want to burn the garlic here. So in a very low fire, and and I am a little bit generous for my oil here because the main ingredients for this particular recipe, aglio olio, is olive oil and garlic. So we don't want burnt garlic because especially when it's very fresh. So I'm back here at the chopping board where I'm just going to crush the garlic. Now you can slice it if you like that, thin. It's like almond flakes, if you're familiar with almond flakes, that I can compare with. But for me, I'm just going to crush. And look how juicy it is. Because being very fresh. Oops, don't fly away. And lots of garlic here. I think I've used 3 cloves, 3 head of garlic, maybe even 4. Well, that's the main ingredient in the first place. So it doesn't have to be fine mince, I just crushed it. And garlic is good for you. Now this is optional. If you want to put chili pepper, chili flakes, if you want. And now I'm using jalapeno because our jalapeno is ready too. So I'm just putting them on. And of course I also gather some basil. So that's it for my lunch. Easy decision.
It looks a little green, the jalapeno. It's not red yet.
Well, it's ready for me. So I'm just gonna chop it fine, thin basically. Jalapeno is, everybody knows that. For those who knows that jalapeno, it can be a little bit hot. So let me have a look in here. So welcome to our channel, by the way, again. Perfecto. Good. Al dente. Now, if you're new to this channel, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed, please hit the button. Subscribe button. Here it is. Here we go. Now I'm adding the garlic, lots of them, on a low heat because I just want it to cook really nice and gentle heat. Now take some water from the pasta. I will need it to loosen up the spaghetti when I add it to the oil and garlic. And now I'm ready to drain it. And this is the time that you can add herbs, chili pepper if you like. And for me, I'm adding basilico. Just stir it with your hand. And just give it a little bit of stir. Look how beautiful the color is. And the smell of my kitchen. You would not believe it. Full of fragrance from the garlic. And look at that. Look, I meant to say aglio, olio, and we have olive oil here. So it's the garlics are soft actually. So I'm adding the spaghetti. And so this beauty, the beauty of this using the lentil pasta is, yeah, people are concerned about too much carbohydrates, but this one you can still enjoy your favorite comfort food without the carb. Okay, and this is basically ready now. It's a very quick dish, so I'm putting a little bit of salt, just a little bit. You should taste it yourself. And if you want to add more water to loosen up, I call it loosen up. You don't want to serve it dry, do you? So, and now actually it's pretty much ready. I'm adding Parmesan cheese. Again, this is optional for those vegan. And that is it. And that's it for my lunch today, and I'll see you for my next video. I know this is a quick one and simple, but try. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Look at that. Oh, I could just, gorgeous. Let me just taste it to make you jealous.